Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Chelsea MK5004, in color code 1001Z3. It's a silver color frame. The temples have a Michael Kors logo, and at the tip of the temples, we have a white rubber finish. As well for this side of the temples. This is the back of the frame. The lenses are a polarized gray-silver mirror color, and then has a P engraved for polarized, and a Michael Kors logo engraved in the top left lens. They are RXable. Up here, we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.